installing a tow harness on my 2010 Range Rover HSE. The 2010 and 2012, it's a lot easier than the earlier L322 versions, which requires a module. But this one pretty much mounts right here. Harness goes through a grommet you got to take out where this one mounts in. This harness plugs in. Right to that gray harness right there. It's supposed to require reprogramming to enable tow, but we'll find out. But yeah, bought this for $150, way cheaper than the dealer or even the used ones they're selling on eBay. This one was $150 from Rover Parts, and the quality seems really good. 7-pin, 4-pin. Well, let's see how it goes. That's the grommet you have to remove. This one right here. All right. Then we'll feed this one through there. As you can see, I got the harness out. And this will simply plug right into this. Holding it for now. That's it. It's in. I'll check if I need to program it with a scanner to enable tow mode, but many people said it worked without any coding, but I have a scanner in case. Ooh, the most annoying part was getting this grommet in from the new part. You want to make sure it's a good seal. It's in all the way. Yep. Ring line is all the way in. Perfect. So cold today, so the rubber is hard. Now I just have to mount this.